Look around, all throughout history, all over the world, and you'll see countless individuals who have achieved many different kinds of extraordinary accomplishments. And yet, they all have a few important things in common. Each had a plan to achieve their goal, a roadmap to success, the tools to make it happen, and experts such as mentors and coaches to lead and guide them to success. Because although real success happens every day, it never ever happens merely by chance. Welcome to Wealth Generators, a proven plan to financial fitness and personal wealth that can enable anyone to find money, grow money, and keep more of their money. Everyone knows that the first step on the road to wealth begins with finding money somewhere. But what if someone, an expert with the right tools and experience, could help you find more of your own money, money in your existing household income that you didn't even know you had? Think of that. Money that is right there, right now, waiting for you to unlock it. All you need is the right key. Wealth Generators money management software is that key. State-of-the-art technology coupled with a proven money expert that can help you easily create and manage a budget, eliminate debt, and so much more. The system is revolutionary, it's easy to use, and it enables you to find more money, your money. And once you've found more money, you can put that money to work for you. At Wealth Generators, our experts have over 40 years' experience successfully trading in the financial markets, and these experts will show you when they get into trades and when they get out. Think of this as your roadmap to growth, a financial GPS. Clear, transparent, factual information that's easy to understand. You receive online trade alerts by proven experts and simply follow their path. Anyone can do it without any prior experience with financial markets and with as little as 1 to 2 hours of effort a month. In fact, Wealth Generators is so confident in our experts, we'll guarantee your success. If you follow the system consistently for 6 months and do not generate a profit, we'll triple your subscription fees. Yes, triple, and refund them back to you. Because this is about growing wealth together. In fact, as your money grows, Wealth Generators will even pay you for sharing the system with others. You'll receive monthly bonuses on the subscription fees paid by every person you enroll, as well as bonuses on the subscription fees of those that they enroll, and so on. This is real money, your money, and there's literally no limit to its growth. Of course, as your money grows, so will your personal business deductions. That's why Wealth Generators has partnered with TaxBot to ensure that you're benefiting from every single tax deduction you're entitled to. This is the best mobile tax system available anywhere. Advanced technology that makes tracking and managing all of your expenses and deductions a snap. All on your phone. Easy to understand, simple to use, and it will save you money every single year. Your money. Real success doesn't happen by mere chance, but it does happen every day with the right plan, the right tools, and the right roadmap to success. Find, grow, keep. Welcome to Wealth Generators.
What is Forex trading? The term Forex is short for foreign exchange market, which is the place where different currencies are exchanged in a continuous fashion by millions of people all over the world. Tourists who travel from one country to another must exchange currencies in order to pay for a local product or service. A wad of euros would be totally useless to an Italian tourist wishing to visit the Sphinx in Egypt because it is not the locally accepted currency. The tourist would have to exchange his euros for the local currency, Egyptian pounds, at the existing exchange rate that day. Even without boarding a plane, residents of one country exchange currencies with another country each time they purchase a foreign product. For example, if you're living in the US and want to buy a nice bottle of French wine, You may pay for it in dollars, but the wine has already been paid for in euros. Somewhere along the line, either the wine producer or the American importer had to have exchanged the equivalent value of US dollars, USD, into euros. Unlike the New York Stock Exchange or other stock markets, there is no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Rather, currency trading is conducted electronically over the counter, OTC, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders around the world, rather than on one centralized exchange. The market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. The need to exchange currencies is the primary reason why the Forex market is the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. It outperforms other markets, including the stock market, with an average traded value of around US $2 billion per day. So why would anyone trade Forex? Ask 3 different people and you will get more than 3 different answers. Of course, right off the bat, making money is the most frequently cited reason, and this is a perfectly legitimate motivation. We all live in a world where money, even if it can't buy everything, can certainly still make life a lot more enjoyable. There are some people who trade in the Forex market because they see it as a form of gambling and betting on the winning number. It really can be a lot of fun, especially if you win. And there are others who trade Forex just for the personal satisfaction of making a trading system work for them and coming out with the results they aimed for. We are always satisfied when we make the right choice and come home the winner. You see, the common factor for why people trade Forex is quite simple. One way or another, these people are getting whatever it is they want: money, enjoyment, or self-satisfaction. Or perhaps they are trading for all 3 reasons. Forex trading is really a very simple concept.
In order to make money on the Forex market, you have to buy low and sell high. Quite simple. Let's have a look at the example. How much money can you theoretically make by trading currencies? Let's assume that you have 1,000 US dollars on your trading account. The current exchange rate of euro versus the US dollar is 1.25. In other words, for 1 euro, you get $1.25. You forecast that during the day, euro would rise versus the US dollar. Based on this forecast, you buy 800 euros for your $1,000. Your forecast is correct. Euro rises from 1.25 to $1.26. Being in the profit, you decide to close the trade and exchange 800 euros back to $1,008. In effect, your profit from this trade is $8. Not that much, right? You raise a fair question. Would it be possible to increase profits? In order to maximize your profit potential, you can use leverage. Leverage is a loan Armada Markets provides you to trade Forex. The size of the loan can differ, but Armada provides you with up to 500 times more funds than your initial capital, which also increases your profit potential 500 times. Great, right? Still, please remember, increased leverage means not only more profit potential, but also more risks. Managing your risks is very important. Let's have a look at an example of how to use leverage of 1 to 500. You have the same $1,000 on your account, and you estimate that euro will rise versus the US dollar. Therefore, you decide to take the biggest possible loan from your broker, $499,000. Now, with the exchange rate of 1.25, you exchange all of your $500,000 to 400,000 euros. At the moment when the exchange rate rises to 1.26, you exchange the 400,000 euros back to $504,000. As a result, you now have $5,000 on your account after returning the loan to your broker. So your net profit is $4,000. An incredible result after just 1 day of trading. In this example, we have looked at the scenario when your forecast turns out to be correct. But what would have happened if instead of rising, euro had fallen against the US dollar? In this case, your trade would be open until your losses equal your initial deposit, which is $1,000. At this point, your trade would be automatically closed and the broker takes back the loan. Consequently, a case when you can lose the broker's loan is almost impossible. Taking everything into account, you have now seen how leverage can increase your profits if you make the right decisions. At the same time, leverage can also work against you if you make the wrong estimations and don't limit your losses.
Today, we're going to talk about how to download MetaTrader 4 and set up your free demo account. For this demonstration, we're going to be using an Apple iPhone in the iTunes Store. However, if you are using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store or the store that you use to download your apps. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your phone out and navigate yourself to your App Store. Once in the App Store, go to the search section and type in MetaTrader 4. Once you've done that, click the Get button and then install the app on your phone. Once you click OK, you can see MetaTrader 4 has set up a free demo account for you. This account is set up so you can use it to practice trade. Now, if you take a look in the trade section, you can see your account has $100,000 in it. Now remember, this account is just for practice trading, so you can figure out how things work and make some mistakes along the way. This is how easy it is to set up a brand new account on your phone in MetaTrader 4.
I'm going to give you guys a quick demo on how to place a Forex trade on MetaTrader 4 mobile platform on iPhone and Android. It's going to look exactly the same whichever device that you're working with, right? So let's just get right into it. This first screen here is going to be where you're going to see all the different quotes for all the different currency pairs, right? If you don't see the one that we're trading in particular, you can come up here to the top, hit plus, and you can search for different pairs. You can add them to this screen by hitting plus, right? Pretty simple. Let's come back and let's just say for argument's sake we're going to be trading the USD to the yen, right? So we'll come up here, you can hit the pair. You can hit this button to take you to the chart, kind of take a look at how it's performing, right? Take a look at the candlesticks, it's pretty cool. You can come back, hit the pair again, and then you can hit trade to go ahead and start filling out an order, right? So the default, it's going to say market execution, and basically what that means is, you know, you could get into a buy or a sell order at whatever the market value is. Most of the time we have a predetermined price that we're trying to buy or sell at. So you're going to want to come up and hit market execution right here, and it'll give you a drop down with a couple of different options. You know, if we're buying long, you're going to be looking at setting a buy limit or a buy stop. If we're going to short, you're going to be looking at a sell limit or a sell stop, right? So let's just say we're going into a buy order with a buy limit. Okay, and then you've got a couple of different spots to fill out here. It's very simple, right? You're going to come here to this first one price, and this is what our entry price is going to be. This is going to be what you want to buy at, right? Come down here. This is going to be your protective stop loss order, okay, which you're basically willing to lose. That's going to be your protective order, right? Take profit. This is basically what our target profit is going to be. Very, very simple. You'll just be able to plug in the values from the trade alerts into this very simply. You can come down and you can set an expiration for the trade as well, as per the newsletter, of course, and then you would just come down and hit place trade to get it rolling. Very, very simple, guys. And once you get that trade placed, right, you'll come down to the trade tab right here. You'll see any orders that you have open that have been filled. Okay, if it hasn't been filled, it'll just kind of be hanging out here, and then once it does, you'll start to see your profit or loss in real time right here. Okay, now if we get an alert to like maybe modify our sell stop, you can swipe to the left here, hit this pencil, and you can go ahead and modify some of the values in the trade. Pretty nice. If you need to close out the trade, you can hit the check mark over here, or you can get to the chart from here as well. Very, very simple, guys. You come down here to history. It'll show you a history of trades that you've done. Very, very easy to navigate. You know, this mobile platform is extremely convenient to be able to place the trades from here. And so I hope this video gave you guys a little bit of insight